Data breaches cost companies millions, and manual anonymization is a ticking time bomb. Are you a Python developer, data engineer, or compliance officer wrestling with GDPR, HIPAA requirements? This skill automates secure pipelines with PySpark structured streaming, K anonymity algorithms, and reversible tokenization frameworks. Imagine scaling differential privacy across terabytes of healthcare records or financial data while generating SOC 2 audit trails automatically. We've built battle tested connectors for Delta Lake, Kafka, and Snowflake. No more fragile, hand rolled scripts. Spoiler: your old redaction script just got retired. Let's do this the smart way. Here's what's inside the Building Data Anonymization Pipeline skill. First, dynamic schema inference for JSON XML with nested PII detection using Spark NLP. Second, configurable transformation chains, swap masking algorithms like AES GCM or HMAC SHA 256 without rewriting pipelines. Third, token vault integration with HashiCorp Vault for reversible anonymization. Fourth, interactive compliance dashboard with automated GDPR Article 30 record keeping. Fifth, fine-grained access controls via OIDC integrated pre-signed URLs. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples, from HIPAA-compliant patient data de-identification to PCI DSS transaction masking. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your data stays protected, but your workflow just got supercharged. Installing the Building Data Anonymization Pipeline skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-data-anonymization-pipeline. That's it. You'll get the complete skill with expert-level guidance, PySpark optimization patterns, secure key management blueprints, and compliance validation playbooks. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to harden pipelines against reconstruction attacks and generate audit-ready logs. Warning: may cause existential dread for your company's old regex-based anonymizer. Deploy compliant pipelines faster than a regulator can say data subject request.